Hey mga mommies, let's cook cheesy garlicky baked tahong or mussels. First, steam the tahong until it opens. Do not overcook it. Remove the shells and set aside. For the garlic toppings, melt butter. Add tons of garlic crushed. Then add breadcrumbs. Let the breadcrumbs absorb the butter and do not overcook. For the cheese toppings, melt some butter and add all-purpose flour. Gradually add water to thicken the sauce. Add the shredded cheese and cook into low fire. Add more water if needed. I also added cheese powder, but this is optional. Season with salt and ground pepper. Perform taste check and set aside. Watch the video for guidance. Scoop cheese mixture on top of each mussels or taho. Also, put the garlic and breadcrumb mixtures on top of each of the mussels. Preheat air fryer and arrange the taho on parchment paper or baking dish and air fry for 5 to 10 minutes. Garnish with spring onions.